Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Ring of Enlightenment in Gothic 1 Remake. The Ring of Enlightenment is a top tier accessory that is perfect for mage builds, like the one I'm using right now. First things first, we need a magic scroll to transform into a bloodfly. You can buy this from Torres in the old camp, as you can see here. Next, head to the castle at the mountain fortress, right here as shown on the map. Ignore all the enemies you encounter on the way, except for the harpies near the entrance. Head inside, turn right, and defeat the harpy sitting by the staircase. Now use the transformation scroll and become a bloodfly. Use the staircase to climb to the top of the tower. There are gaps in the staircase, which is why we need the bloodfly transformation to cross them. There are also a few spots where you need to hug the wall and attack, just like this. Once you reach the top of the tower, you'll encounter several more harpies that you'll need to defeat. After clearing them out, unlock this chest right here. I've pinned the lockpick solution in the comments section below. Once you open the chest, you'll acquire the Ring of Enlightenment. This accessory is incredibly valuable for mages because it increases your maximum mana by 20 points and your maximum health by 30 points. It allows you to survive more damage while also casting more spells during combat. And that's how to get the Ring of Enlightenment in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.